Hadian ke jingsa jet kamu Myntri berthamai ke sarkar MDA2 ubat Lahkmen Rymbui ula penpau ba unlong ubahun lara uyo ban khmi ya kanu ke tanat traikam habakran sekilat pathai khubor ubat Lahkmen Rymbui ula ang ba dan lupa ke jing perkhat ban bat ya kanu ke tanat traikam Henry ke Shillong hau Myntri Rangbah ke jela ban Bynshet hu dak ba penpau ba sim khia ban Pyndep ya ke Kamram.
Any position you hold, it is the same for me. It is only how to serve the people the best. So for me, whatever the position I hold, there is no difference at all.
Are you looking for education again?
That I cannot say right now because for the portfolio, it is the prerogative of our Honorable Chief Minister. Whatever responsibility he entrusts upon me, I will try to do justice to it and try to deliver so that to fulfill the aspiration of people as much as possible. See, it is not the question of 2.5 years. The MDA government since 2018 have working very hard to transform, to reform, and to give the assurance to the people that there is a government who try to look in all aspects for the betterment of the state. Yes, there is always some challenges, but we are upcoming. So I'm not talking about 2.5 years. I'm talking about this 2018 till date. The government, MDA government, try its best to give to the people in every field. So this 2.5 years is a continuation to improve, and we have to learn in these 7.5 years what we are doing and what we will do in these 2.5 years.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.